audio SMD version 1 on 15K.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
My name is Aaron, and I have a Ascending Audio SMD version 1 on 15K.
Wow. Wow, one big sub on the big amp back there, man.
Yep.
Looks like y'all did a lot of work to try to have your seat room and still be able to have a wall.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. How big is the box, tuning and SPL, anything like that, you know?
It has like 5 point something cubes inside. I don't know all the numbers.
It's okay. Did you ever do a burp test on it?
Yeah, I did a 153.6 today.
Oh, that's good. Are you happy with it?
I am.
Awesome. What frequency range is it liking the most?
That was at 29 hertz.
Wow, tune low.
Yes.
Awesome. Not very many of these subs. This is the SMD. Is this the V1 or 2?
V1.
Wow. Do you have any pictures of the motor?
No.
Yeah. It's probably, oh, I remember the V1. It has the double magnet stack.
Yes.
2 of them. Okay. Oh,
And this
wow.
has the rod through the middle.
Yeah, okay. Very rare to get those subs done. I don't think they make them anymore. Okay. There's a 10s on the door.
Yep, 3 10s.
Awesome. What about your electrical side? Alternator and battery?
It has an Autotech. It's brand new alternator in there. I am not 100% sure.
Okay. It's all good.
Yeah.
You don't often get to see this type of subwoofer, so they don't make them anymore. And I want to say this was manufactured back, what, in like early 2000s?
I think so.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we're actually getting ready to take it out. It's probably the next big change, but
Change subs?
yeah.
Try something new?
Yeah.
Okay.
Might go to 21.
21 in the same area?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. I think I remember last hearing it about 2 or 3 years ago where you had the box farther back and it was not walled.
Correct.
You were in the middle of doing some changes.
Yeah.
So.
We just built the box was just built the night before that.
Okay. All right. Nice. Are you about to do anything else to this over the next project change on this?
We're probably gonna add another, like a new top to this. Other than that, I don't.
Okay.
Right now.
Look at the back. Excuse me, I'm sorry. What's up, man? Oh, my bad. Oh, wow.
You're on the wrong phone.
Hello.
Hi. A little different.
Nice. Love to hear it. Looking forward to it. That one was a little bit higher note. Do you have anything plus a little lower?
They just told me I couldn't play anymore.
Oh, no more playing. Okay, yeah, they're about to do the thing. We'll get it after. Yeah, they're about to do the whatever it's called. Thank you very much for showing me. That's awesome.
Oh, not a problem.
Wow. All good. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome.
Nice to meet you again. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop